stay up to 10 p.m. at a friend's house, did you but there's but Jandel's about to use admin abuse because there's about to be an update at 10 p.m. Philippine time. Also, I think I'm also watching this. I'm also my friend. Like also. Okay, there it goes. It's loaded. All right. What the heck? All right. Let's see the seeds. Let's see the restock. All right, it's gonna restock in 10 seconds. Because my friend's tablet is right just beside me. Hold up. Let me get. All right. Nothing. Absolutely trash. Trash. What are you?
5 minutes before update.
Yeah. Yeah. But actually, it's 5 minutes before update. Okay. Nice. Hold up. Let me join my friend. Hold up.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait lang. Mamaya pa. Kita mo mag-admin abuse na si John Bennett.
Hold up. Notify me. Notify me. Hurry up. 10 p.m. Come on, come on, come on.
Sabi ko sa'yo, maaga ka pumasok para hindi ka maubusan ng space Join ka sa akin.
Space?
Ayun madami pang space. Bili, join ka
Okay.
sa akin.
This is the first time this is the first time you've heard something Filipino from my microphone. Like Filipino ako. Yes, that is true, and I've just revealed it right now since this is the first admin abuse I'm gonna witness. Yeah! Hurry up! Come on. Alright. Hey, you're not here. Ako lang mag-isa.
Yay!
Ako lang mag-isa.
Nasa private server ka yata
Nasa private server kita.
Akin nga. Okay na yan.
Wait lang. Para ma-witness natin yung admin abuse together.
Dito tayo sa gitna.
Wait, sa gitna yung admin abuse?
Hindi. Hindi sa gitna.
Oh, okay. Random lang mata-target yung. Wait lang, ano yung admin abuse ba? Yun paano yun ma-affect yung fruits mo? Like ano yung mutation na mag-give? Kasi na yun. Basta na private server mo, Kelly. Anuhin ko na nga lang anuhin na lang kita, Kelly. I-join na nga lang kita dito. Where are you? Kelly, di kita ma-join. Wait lang.
Okay ka na dyan. Huwag ka na mag-leave. Ay, ubusin ka talaga.
Oh my God. Wait lang. Sobrang lapit na pala mag-10. Si-join na nga lang ko, Ryan. I'm just gonna join this.
9:58
9:58 na! 9:58 na! Guys, magre-restock na!
Nare-record po ako. I'm recording ko with my microphone.
Para nga po ma-witness namin together yung admin abuse ko. Para ma-witness together namin yung admin abuse ko. Kasi dito po mag-update na po. Oh, I'm gonna witness the first admin abuse niya. And I think yeah. Come on. Yes. Yo, wait, it turned nighttime. Huh? Wait, why did it turn nighttime?
9:59.
Wait, what? 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 Galaxy, Galaxy, what is happening? Aurora! Aurora? 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 Ano to? Ano to? Wait lang, wait lang! Saan? Aurora, 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 ano to? Ba't may Aurora? May Aurora!
Hey, it's my
Wait,
family.
it's almost 10! It's almost 10! Guys, you can see it from my system clock.
2, 21, 20.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Admin abuse!
Wala.
Eh? Where's the admin abuse? Huh?
Wala pa.
Hold up. Where's the admin abuse? It's already 10 p.m. I swear. If there's no admin abuse. Where is it? Hold up. I think I just need high graphics. Maybe 5 graphics will be okay now. No. Maybe that graphics. It's so beautiful up here, to be honest, actually. The music! Sheesh, it's so cool. Where's the admin abuse? Magti 10:01 na pala, hindi pa nag-admin abuse. Wait, wala kang screen recorder, Kelly?
Ayoko.
Oh. Ba't wala kang screen recorder? Wait lang, hold up guys, ipipicture ko.
Wala pa rin.
Yun nga eh, wala pa rin admin abuse.
Ayun.
Tsaka sabay na jump scare tayo ng admin abuse.
Admit abuse.
Ay, nakikita ko si Chandel dito sa baba! Wait,
Tingin?
kanina nakita ko, baka kasi nalaglag lang ako. Wait lang.
Yak.
Parang dito, like somewhere. Wait lang, ulit mo.
What?
Nakita ko parang under the island siya eh. Baka nag-hallucinate lang ako. Wala pa rin admin abuse. Magte-10:02 na nga.
Ayaw rin akong takong tanim.
Ah! Wait a second. Tingin? Bakit sobrang ganda na parang na Aurora touch? Oh! Ang ganda! No! Ang ganda ng mga ano ko. Ang high. Grabe na Aurora touch. Hindi, yan yun. Kasi naman low graphics mo eh. Oh, wait lang. Feeling ko magbibigyan na yung admin abuse. Wait lang. Ayun, nag-daytime. Ano yung mangyayari? Nag-iilaw? Weh? Saan?
Ay, akin din.
Saan? Sa akin, rainbow lang eh.
Akin mo yung ano ko, yung beanstalk ko, tas coconut ko.
Okay,
Tas
nice.
iba pa.
Nasaan yung admin abuse?
Wala pa rin. Baka mamaya-maya.
Wait lang, I'm gonna stay online pa, guys. Wait lang ah. Sorry for the language.
Ayan na yun, si Arkin yung carrot ko naging rainbow.
Ay. Okay. Wait a second. Bagong stock na ba? Stock?
Wala pa.
Wait lang, 1 minute. Tsaka sabay kung kailan nag-stock na, tsaka yun nag-admin abuse. Wag muna tayo magkuha ng, wag muna tayo wait a second, I need to plant my corn seeds before admin abuse. Baka kasi hindi ma-affect pag natanim late. Kelly, ano pala yung ginagawa ng admin abuse? Oh, ako rin nga eh. Kasi ngayon ko lang na-witness, nakita ko lang mga recordings nun. I still need the, beans? I have beanstalk seed!
Pati yung,
Meron ako
naiyaw tapos yung berry ko.
Wait lang, ayun, na-plant ko na. Wala pa rin mutation burning bud ko. Feeling ko na waste lang pagpuyat natin dito sa game.
Minsan daw, madaling araw yun eh.
Eh? Madaling araw? Anong oras yung pinaka-late?
Kanina. 2 a.m. Ate Kay,
Grabe. At least, buti na lang nakakaano ako ng 2 a.m.
6, 25, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Guys, I think this is gonna be a long video. Because it's already 10 and there's still no admin abuse.
Again, nasan yung pinigay kong strawberry sa'yo?
Wala kang binigay sa akin.
Yung na rin.
Puro trash. Wait, bamboo.
Ayun ako pinigay.
Wait, wala nga.
Pininta mo na.
Wala nga. Wala kang binigay sa akin na strawberry.
Puro trash.
Yung hindi trash. Nabenta ko.
Pininta mo na yung cake na pinuto.
Yes. Meron akong dragon fruit seed.
Ayun, ayun.
Wait lang.
Cakes na kulay yellow.
Bakit kulay? Golden?
Oo, cool. Ayun o.
Okay. Ang ganda. Alright. Bamboo seed. I have 31 of these.
Pwede akin na yung toy.
Hindi, wait lang. Huwag tayo muna mag-pick. Baka kasi hindi ma-affect yung admin abuse. Pati si Jandel, paminsan-minsan, late admin abuse. Sabi raw, 10 p.m. Hindi pa rin.
Uy, kita mo ko?
Tsaka sabay, bigla nag-admin abuse. Saan raw nakikita yung si Jandel sa admin abuse?
I think sa public or private.
Ako na sa public. Wait, feeling ko sa likod ng mga, sa akin nga rin, wala pa rin eh.
Public ka?
Yes. Feeling ko na sasayang lang pagpuyat natin.
Ano pa ako bukas?
Naantok na ako ng konti. Magkakape nga ako pakaano ko sa uwi. Well, isa na lang pumpkin seed ko, di ko pa mapaplant. Burning bud, ang ganda. Kaso yung burning bud ko, anong tawag dun? Di na mutation ng Aurora. Di pa na Aurora mutation, grabe.
Tatanin ko. Ano pa?
Di ko matanim itong pumpkin. Saan ko ito matatanim? Guys, I think I'm speaking more Filipino than English. Cheese. Yes, cheese. Ano?
Mayami pa akong papi.
Ako nga, meron ng papi. Wait lang.
Saan?
Meron nga akong papi. Wait lang.
Ayun, kita ko paano.
I need to plant my bamboo game. Jandel, please wait me. Let me wait lang, iyan ako nga ito. Labo to. Ano to? Sino nag... Ay, naku.
Napigay ko na sa'yo yung papi ko.
Okay. Isang! Naghanap pa ako ng vitamin ng alin? Don't you have grapes yourself, diba?
May grapes siya?
Yes, nakita ko sa garden niya.
Sana all.
Toto ba may grapes ka? Wala. Eh, di ba't kanina meron ka? Like, kanina meron kang grapes? Baka na-delete mo?
Pinigay ko na sa'yo yung cake.
Hindi kanina nga meron kang grapes eh. Paano mo yan nakuha?
Pinigay ko sa'yo.
Hindi, paano mo nga nakuha? Nakuha, hindi mo paano binigay. I'll let my peppers be. I just... Wala, wait lang. Magre-recall ranch nga ako. Titignan ko nga kung ano yung mga gear. Gear shop. 2 watering can. Wala pa rin. Cactus, that's not bad. At saka daffodil. Bamboo? Okay. Grabe, ang daming bamboo. Si John din, sinaspoil tayo gamit ng bamboo.
Pahingi ako. Please.
Meron ka na nga ang bamboo. Ba't di mo na lang ibili lahat? Puro ka na lang hingi. How many players are in this server? Walang... Guys, mag-abuse ba ngayon? Sana mag-admin abuse. Tsaka sana, hindi naman sa umaga pa yung admin abuse. Napakagrabe naman sa amin ni Jandel. Kala niya mga machine kami. Bakit? Ba't ka tumawa? Uy, bakit ka tumawa? Hindi ko gets.
Wala.
Ano yan? Patingin! Ay, siya yun? Kilala ko siya. Bakit? Ano yung ginawa niya pala? Where's my bag? Hold up. Guys, I think I'll have to find my bag. Bag! Okay na. My gee. The cold air is breathing through. We are waiting for the admin abuse, Jandel. Hold up.
Okay, no?
Oh, nice.
No,
Hold up.
Boy.
Hold up. Guys. Hold up. Guys, I'll need to skip to the part where I get home. Hold up, let me just Alright guys, I got back home while making my feet absolutely drenched in rainwater, but at least I washed it. First, also this is the first sighting of me recording this late. Some people report that the admin abuse literally goes to 2 p.m. Microphone explosion warning, I guess. My fault. My mouth is so close to the microphone. When is the Okay, I needed to literally keep my phone open just to keep the recording. Le air from electric fan. Yo, 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 yo. What's this? What's this sound? Jeez. Hold on. He's like I wanted to record the way when I'm doing home, but sadly I was too rough for me to you know what I mean, like too 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 afraid that that my phone will fall on the ground and get broken. Yeah, like like seed chop, seed chop, seed chop, seed chop, seed chop, seed chop, seed chop. Nothing. Yeah, at least I got 3 pumpkin seeds, 5 watermelon, and yeah, that's basically it. Jeez, I just got this birding bud earlier today as well. I need to parkour over this apple tree and over the kiwi tree thingy just to get up to my burning bud. And I also have like the ember lily, the beautifulness of me ember lily. Yeah, I also got another beanstalk somehow. My garden is very glitchy, by the way. I don't know why. What the heck? What the heck? This ain't a burning bud no more. This is a burning planet. The burning escape hole of the planet that's burning as well. I don't know. What the heck? I can't even jump up here. What? Go. Okay. Hello, Eclipse. Hold up. Go in already, Kuto. Alright, this guy wants to go in. Alright. Okay. Do you have some true words to say? The microphone is on your mouth already. It's near your mouth actually. You're just sniffing it. At least just speak. At least just one word, one sentence. One, yeah, whatever. He doesn't have any words for the camera. For the microphone. For the people, yeah. I seriously have to stay. Dog dug up a carrot seed that's This is the stem, and this is the burning bud. This ain't the burning bud no more, bro. What the? How long has it kept? It doesn't even render the. It might render this one doesn't even render the burning bud at full zoom out. And hold up, hold up, there. Come on. Alright, they're starting to play. The two are starting to play. This one. Actually, never mind. I'll record a separate video about RC car. Alright. Batteries are stored in my RC car. Ouch! Any words for the camera? You just walk away. Hey, what are you doing there? Why are you sniffing my bag? Why are you sniffing my zipper bag? My bag, my school bag. Hey, you can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that. That's bad. Hey, you can't play with that rusty gun. That rusty gun. You can literally write with the rusty gun how rusty it is. Jeez, almost broke my wrist while trying to catch the one new the one new thing. The one new this boy can't stop sniffing everything. And I mean Eclipse and not the other one. Oh my. Stop climbing on me! I'm not your ladder! Oh, there is that. Okay. I'm the only one in the server, and this isn't a private server, by the way. Why did it get stemmed? I'm sorry, I'm gonna. Also, I think there's gonna be a time where my mom will be speaking in the camera. That would be cool. The camera, the microphone. Hold up, let's see if she's done with whatever she's doing. Hold up. Alright. I think I won't be able to reach the admin abuse. I think the admin abuse is way too late into the time. Hold up. Hold up. Guys, hold up. Oh my, hold up. Alright, here's Vanilla. I think he has some words to say to the microphone. Hold up. Vanilla, do you have any words to say to the microphone? Okay. Just want to be in the room. The aircon isn't even that cold yet. You have to wait a while just to. This one is pretty annoying. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Restock. I just noticed. Nothing? No admin abuse. I want to log off Girl Garden so badly, but I might miss the admin abuse. Hold up, I'll just. According to my friend, she said that the admin abuse can literally be set at 2 a.m. 2, not 2, 2, not 20, not 22, not 20, not 2 p.m., 2 a.m., period.
Microphone explosion. Again.
Excuse me. Why is this? Okay, that's a dragon fruit seed. Hold up. Are you ready? Okay, you're not ready to be turned into a dinosaur quite yet. You need to be ready for your you need to be ready for your remove of cuteness. My meat's for the better. My first pet. I don't want to. He's 46 years old. Can you stop running around? No admin abuse yet. Seriously, I just got back. I got back. That cup was also me getting the four monkeys back to the kitchen. Kitchen is is also a separate room. I wonder what I want to give this to my mom that plays grow a garden now. I give